Hello guys, this is Presh from Autocad, and today we are going to continue our tangency run by drawing this diagram here. This is a spanner, and this is an ogee curve. Alright, let's get straight to the drawing. First of all, make sure you're in your drafting and annotation environment. Yeah, make sure you're in that environment. That's the workspace for this particular drawing. So firstly, and then one more thing, I noticed that the unit for the dimensions in this drawing is inch. So in case you don't know how to convert your unit, you check the link below for a video on how to convert your units. Alright, let's kick off with the drawing. So we go to draw, and then we click on ellipse. Alright, now this ellipse here has a major diameter of 1.75 and minor diameter of 1.38, so we can draw it here. Now the major diameter is on the y-axis, while the minor diameter is on the x-axis. So just we get the radius of the minor diameter, 1.38 divided by 2. That's 0.69. So just type 0.69. And then we calculate the major diameter. That is 1.75 divided by 2. That is 0.875. So we just type 0.875, and there the ellipses. So come to draw, we'll draw a line of 4.12. Now we'll be able to get the center for this other ellipse. So we first activate our auto mode. Having done that, we offset this line of 4.12 by 2 inches. Now we've been able to get the center for this ellipse here, so we can now draw that ellipse. The major diameter is 1.63, and the radius is 1.63 divided by 2, 0.815. So we just stretch it up this way and type 0.815. Then to get the other one, that is the minor diameter. The minor diameter has a diameter of 1.25. So we'll just go 1.25 divided by 2. That's 0.625. So just type 0.625, and is in. Second ellipse is up. So having done that, we draw a line joining these two places together, and then we'll come to arc. We'll draw an arc. Actually, the arc we want to draw is the ogee curve. That's what it's called, as seen here. See the labeling here, the ogee curve. So how do we go about it? Come to draw. We'll come to arc. We select start end radius. So we know where the arc starts, that's here. We know where it ends here. We don't know the radius, so we just the same thing for the second one. We know where it starts here. Specify endpoint of arc. specify the endpoint here, and then we just move our mouse. Just move your mouse upward this way to appear, and then just join it up here. So the ogee curve, this is the ogee curve, but we can see that the ogee curve is not, like, the curve is not one, it's into two parts. So we join these two parts together, and then we have one whole curve here. So that's the ogee curve. So now this ogee curve here, this is not what we want. We want this one and this one. So how do we come about that? We can see that the distance between these two is 0.75. So that means distance between the one in the middle and each of these two is 0.75 divided by 2. So we'll come to our calculator. 0.75 divided by 2. That's 0.375. So we offset by 0.375. Having done that, we may just want to extend the arc, the curve a little bit. First of all, we'll go out of auto mode. So having extended the arc, we now trim. Yeah. So now we need to get this arc here of 0.25. How do we go about it? What I did here was just to come to draw, click on circle, and then we'll draw a circle of radius 0.25. Having done this circle, we just place it close to this place. Since it's the same radius throughout of 0.25, so we just place it there, and then we come to modify, we copy it, then we just place it around the relevant areas. So now, having done that, you can see that the arc is tangential to the ogee curve and the ellipse. So we just come to parametric to create that tangential relationship under constraint. We have different constraints, but what we're interested in is the tangent. So we just click on tangent. Make the circle tangential to the ellipse. We also make it tangential to the curve. So the same thing for everybody. Just do the same thing for the other circles. So we are done with that. So we can now delete all of these, or else they will affect us in our drawing. Alright, now we can trim. Because if we don't trim, the work gets complicated, and we may get confused as well. So it's better to trim as the need arises. Now we can erase some parts too. Okay, yeah, having done that, let's complete the heads. So what do? Just for this side, we just offset this line by 0.38. And then we draw this arc of radius 1.18. So we just come to arc, still using start end radius. Just pick this point. Make sure you pick this point first. Then before you pick this one, then we type in 1.18, and that's it for that one. Then for this one, we just offset by 0.31. So just offset by 0.31. Having done that, we just draw the arc of radius 1.18 as shown here. It's the same thing with this one. This one start from top. So having done that, we just extend this line. The same thing here. Okay, having done that, we trim. Okay, we trim. There are many unwanted parts, so we keep trimming. Then we erase. And then we press enter. Okay, this is the complete spanner, and this is the ogee curve. So thank you for watching.